Tēnā koe, my name's Donna Case. I am the youngest child of Rangi Kapua and Rangiruhia Elkington. Mother of 5, and I decided to run as a candidate for the Board of Trustees because I've been sitting too long in the background. So, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
Why have you decided to accept a nomination for this year's Ngāti Koata Trust Board elections?
I think mainly because in the past year or so, I've seen a lot of struggling going on with the trust. And I thought I would like to step up and see where I can help out to make, to grow our manaakitanga and tikanga for not only for the future, but for the present as well.
What are the skills and experience you will bring to the board?
The skills, I think I learnt growing up on Duval Island. That was a big learning experience, and to watch our tupuna fight for what we would see as only right. To see them struggle was hard. And now we can step up and keep that progress growing so that none of their energy goes to waste. And for our future generations, we can make it easier for them to slide in and fill the voids as our kaumātua are getting old now.
What do you believe are the biggest concerns facing our iwi today, and how do you think the board can best address these concerns?
We need to have faith in these people that are put in charge. And should they need to be able to call on the iwi for guidance, hopefully, as a board, we will be able to provide it. I would also like to see healthcare for the old people, for our kaumātua, because they go dying younger and younger. And the ones that are left holding the kuatatanga, if it be, need a lot of help and support so that they can pass it on to those that are in control of our well-being. That's my main issue. And if I can be of any support, I will certainly be there.
If you are elected, what is something you would like to achieve personally as a trustee of Ngāti Koata Trust in your 3-year tenure?
Should I be one of the lucky people to be selected as a trustee board member, I will give it my all and work together for the whānau and the iwi. Tēnā koe.